following program is brought to you in living color on NBC.
Wonderful.
You could say who your dad was, you know.
My father was,
Yeah.
was a colonel in the U.S. Army Air Corps, which changed over to being the Army Air Force during World War II. And we had living with us, after the war, we had living with us my mother's aunt. So that would be my great aunt. And she had heard as a child and as a young adult, but she slowly lost her hearing totally, and was totally deaf. So we kids used to communicate with her with an alphabet. She could read lips very well, but if a word was troublesome, well, we learned this alphabet. And it's a two-handed letter alphabet. This is A, and this is B. It looks like a B. This is C. This is D, E, oh no, excuse me, this is E, F, G, doesn't look like a G, H, I guess for hands, I, for your eye, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, hook your two baby fingers together, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. End of a word. In between words, this is a blank. That's it.
Wow. Now do the alphabet for her, Dad.